What is up? I'm Visual Waste. I'm a mural artist from Belfast, Northern Ireland. And we got some paint to unbox here from Graff City. So with this video, we're going to try maybe wearing a wee GoPro so you can get my perspective on opening it. So let's get to it, guys. This is a small wee order from Graff City. It's just really to stock up on a few colours that I don't have at the minute. And oh, spot a signature here on this one. Must be the guy that boxed it. Looks like some kind of snake or something like that. Strange. Okay. Let's see what we've got, guys. So in this order, the color that I was looking to stock up on is pink. I have a lot of reds here, but I don't have any pinks. So I was looking to get in the 94 range, as many different shades of pink as possible. Okay. Alright, so first up, six cans of black. Okay. Yeah. So 6 cans of black in our first one. Let's get into another one here. Alright. So here are some of the pinks. Rosario pinks. That is nice. Really nice color. Rosario and a bit of the disco pink. Now this has a wee bit more of a purple kind of hue to it, but it's still in the pink spectrum. These are Rosarios, and a Rosario and a disco, I think that is. Yes, it's a disco pink. Okay, next up we've got some invases and stuff. A little bit more pinks. There's some whites in this one as well. So we just got some matte whites. And we've got some Ericas. It's a very, very nice pink color. Goes really well with some greys. If you're ever mixing the two in a piece, the grey goes real good with the Erica. And some matte white there. Okay. Let's see. Whoop. So I ordered this paint about, I would say about 3-4 days ago, and it's here already. Which is handy because we have a wee job to go to tomorrow, and it's just came just in time. Some more blacks and whites there. Okay, don't need them. Don't need them. And let's see what we've got here. Okay. Some more disco pink. I ordered quite a lot of the disco pink because I think it's a nice base to work from, and to mix in with the more kind of poppier pinks. There's a Joker there as well, sorry. Very, very similar in colour, these two, but I'm sure when they're spread up you can see the difference, no problem. Another Joker, and another Joker. Alright, we're flying through these boxes, guys. Let's see. Yes, some of these really light pinks. I really like working with these. We've got some orchid pinks, orchids, some chewing gum. Yeah, I wonder what type of chewing gum that would be. It would be like a Hubba Bubba or something, maybe. You know, really nice pink. Another orchid pink and a chewing gum. Okay, so I think I got some banana caps in this one too. Yeah, it's 100 there. Doesn't even look like 100, but there's 100 in that bag, I hope. So I I was trying to get the banana caps in the last order, but there didn't seem to be any in Graff City, so I ordered some of the Montana level 1s. And I think, you know yourself, when you get used to using a certain cap, when you change, you sort of blame the cap. You sort of say, ah, it's because I don't have my usual cap. There's a Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. And a Tutti Frutti. And we've got some magenta. It's a really nice magenta color there too. Alright. There's quite a lot of pink here, guys. All this paint will be used in the one job. It's going to be for like an ice cream place, and I've painted it before. It's all kind of like the piece of the paint is all like dripping bits of ice cream. So they're getting me back to do the whole front of the building, and they're looking at it in pink tones only because the building is pink itself. So it's more around this kind of pink, a wee bit lighter than that. So this will all be layered on top of that. And I actually won't be using these. What I'll be using is mostly fat caps, orange ones. So I'll probably be using a load of these for that job tomorrow. So basically that is it for the unboxing. A nice wee quick one. Just thought I'd keep you guys in the loop about what's going on. Maybe, you know, do some kind of recording tomorrow. And let you see what I'm doing. So yeah, hit the like button if you want to see more. All the OGs that are usually on the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you've been up to. Let me know what your favorite pink is.